welcome to Fantasy Kingdom, my dear viewers. Today I have come to Fantasy Kingdom, Savar Dhaka, with our students who are very much interested to enjoy the special moment with me and our another teacher, Shoma Sarkar. She has come to help the students, to guide them, to instruct them, and her sons are also present here. So now they are going to the fantastic moment, and that is called roller booster. That is called roller booster. Roller booster is a thriller. It is a thriller when someone will come to this moment. That's Thomas thriller. Wow, they are coming excellently. It's a kind of excellent thrilling moment for them. The students are very happy. The students are very happy. They are enjoying the time. They are enjoying the time. What a thrilling moment they are passing. They are passing here. Actually, Rifat is very excited here now, and he is enjoying. Now, it is called the fantastic moment of the skyline. You know it better that the people, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins went to the moon, and it is the semi atmosphere of that situation. The authority of Fantasy Kingdom has created this view. What a nice view it is. The people who come here to visit it, it seems that they are really flying here, and they are passing their excellent moment. It's that rocket that the astronauts used during the time. Our students are enjoying the spider roar here, and they are very nice. What a view it is. It has really an excellent moment for them. Wow, they are very happy. They are enjoying that time. They have come here to enjoy that time, to pass that time in a nice way, in a systematic way. And now they are wandering here and there, here and there. Especially the inside of the Fantasy Kingdom is wonderful. Wow, they are enjoying that time. Crazy bump, crazy bump. It is really exciting. The students are entering into the crazy bump. They will play the game now. It is an exciting moment for them to hit the others. To hit the others. It is run actually with the help of electricity, and all the vehicles are very exciting, and all of them enjoy it too much. And it is excellent, and the surroundings and the view of the inside of Fantasy Kingdom is really nice looking, and the students are enjoying the hitting and dashing the other vehicles, and they are really enjoying. Mohit is very excited now. All the students are very happy. They are trying to hit the others. Wow! Very nice, and it's really exciting for them. A lady is also enjoying. Wow, she has hit the side place, and it is very interesting for them. And all the things are in a systematic way, and they have created a wonderful view for all kind of viewers here. It's really excellent when someone hits the other. That is really fantastic and magnificent, and it has created the thrilling attitude. It has created the thrilling attitude among the students, and they are very happy. They are very happy, and they are very excited now. The overall view of the trees and the spider here is very nice. The overall view of the trees and the spiders are very nice, and people here people are ready to go to enjoy the train journey. They are ready to enjoy the train journey. I was also. Uh, I was also, and everything is very nice. It is a systematic way to enjoy a train journey. It is a systematic way to enjoy a train journey. I was sitting here also, and the people are waiting to get the opportunity. They have managed the ticket to enjoy the train journey inside the complex of a fantasy kingdom, and they're really happy because it's a moment of excitement, and it's a slow motion railway system. It is a slow motion railway system, so everybody is very happy to enjoy this vehicle this enjoy vehicle to enjoy it very nicely. Now they have come here to enjoy the another system which is very exciting, and all the people are waiting to get a new systematic way. So nothing is boring here. All the people are very happy to enjoy their real moment of excitement here. The railway journey is really interesting. Slow motion railway system. Slow motion railway system. Everybody is calm and quiet, and they are passing their time very nicely. They are passing their time very nicely. So it is very interesting for them. It is very interesting for them. So everything is very nice. Everything is very nice. So I think the situation is really enjoyable, and here you can easily see the journey of the train, and people are very happy because here is no tension. All the people are in relaxed mode. All the people are in relaxed mode. Their journey will be ended, and now you can see that the surroundings is very nice, and now the train is entering into a dangerous position. It creates the magnificent view, and the sound of this area is devastating and destructive also. Some people are enjoying watching, and they are enjoying the moment of thrillers. The moment of thrillers. So everything here is very nice, and now it is out of danger. It is out of danger. So the people are very happy. The guard is giving signal to cross the road, and it seems that it is the real train. Actually, it is the real train. I think so, because all the systems are maintained here. All the systems are maintained here nicely. So all the people here are enjoying everything, and the people are waiting. Someone is eating something. Someone is doing his or her super time, and everything is a systematic way. The water system is really magnificent. The water system is really magnificent. The people here are enjoying the nice moment, and they are very happy. Whether that is a kid or a man of middle age or everybody. And now our students are enjoying their lunch here. Our students are enjoying their lunch here. Oh wow, wow! They are enjoying. They are enjoying their lunch, and the lunch is very interesting and tasty also. It is inside the Fantasy Kingdom, and it is called Ashulia Restaurant. In the middle of the Fantasy Kingdom, it is called Ashulia Restaurant, and they have served the foods, and the foods are really tasty, and it is just like homemade. It is just like homemade. So it is very nice for all of the students who are present here. I am here only to guide them and to help the waiters to instruct to supply food so that our students can enjoy their food nicely. Here I have come to enjoy the water kingdom. You know it better that it has created in a systematic way the waves of the water kingdom and the flow of the water has created a wonderful view for all kind of people. When some visitors come here, he or she becomes puzzled to enjoy the real atmosphere of this water kingdom. The artistic design and the flow of water, it has created a wonderful view for all kind of people, whether he's the middle-aged people or young or the most old people also enjoy it. But our students are young and superstar. Our students are young and energetic. So they have come here to enjoy the real time of their life. So I think all the students are very happy now. You will find that different kind of people have come here and they're dancing and enjoying. And most of the young guys are very happy. They are dancing with the matching of the dancers of the fantasy kingdom. But the people who have come from different parts of our country are enjoying very nicely. All kind of people. Middle-aged people, young people, the kids, all of them are very nice and they are superb in their mood. So they are enjoying it too much, and it is really interesting for them that they are enjoying their time very nicely. And the water kingdom is really a mood of excitement. It has created a special thrills for the students of Rajshahi Collegiate School and all the people who have come here to visit it. So, my dear viewers, please follow this video from the beginning to end and enjoy the real feature and atmosphere of Fantastic Kingdom. Assalamu alaikum.